Sorry guys, I can't seem to be able to stop. I'm loving Linux Mint Cinnamon 20.2. I've installed several things already. I've made Cinnamon my look. I've added BSPWM to the system. I've added i3 to the system, and then i3 gaps, and then I've added the auto tiling to it as well. So we've got XFC as a choice, Cinnamon as a choice. Cinnamon as a choice, not XFC yet. Good idea, Eric. Good idea. Shall I do that first or awesome? Anyway, let's get back to the beginning of it all. That's LightEM for you. LightEM and a nice wallpaper from Variety. So I choose Cinnamon, BSPWM, i3, and I had this. Let's install Awesome first before we do XFC. Not much challenge in XFC, but there's so much more challenge, maybe, I don't know, in Awesome. So, click. Sometimes does not respond. I suppose that's gonna be my VirtualBox thingy. We've got beautiful wallpapers. Already figured out how to add the volume icon here, the network applet theme. This is not Panic, right? This is not Panic, but something similar. Mint update application, and then we just refresh and update our systems, show the individual files. Enfin, it's another way. Yeah, it's in sync, something about in sync. So yes, I have Google Drive connection, I have Atom, Sublime Text, Code, Meld, Nomax. I mean, watch the other videos I've made, it's all there. Now, Awesome. Ctrl-T, sudo apt install Awesome. I wonder if this is gonna work, because it's not just Awesome I need to have. I think it's also Vicious, I think it's called. Sudo pacman, whoa, hold your horses. Apt install Vicious. Ooh, there we go. We don't have that application. So, more challenging. What else? I need to have a configuration. So I do happen to have a configuration lying around on the internet somewhere. And that's the one. And then this is way too small. Like this. Download it, open it up. It's already auto-tiled, so I auto-tiled this. Well, this is BSPW, not i3. I've done that in i3. That's why I recognize it immediately. Like it the way it is. So Awesome, etc, scal, config. Awesome, Ctrl-C, Eric, config, Ctrl-V. Have a look what's in there. You're auto starting what? Anim applet, that's this thing here, working. Pamac tray, not working. What else? Variety is working, Power Manager is working. If I have XFC, and I'll later on probably have it. Blueberry tray is not necessary here. This is a copy paste you need to do from somewhere else. Can I do this somewhere else? Open recent, yay, didn't forget it. So here we have the correct link to the Polkit agent. So that's in order as well. It's a little bit longer, as you see. So there's the Linux Mint pathway, and the Arch pathway is a little bit different, but the same basically. Awesome. So Awesome, Variety is cool. Unlocks is on, volume icons, conkeys. We don't care about conkeys. Out you go. And Phase installed, but the wallpaper is not there, so it's not gonna work. But we have beautiful wallpapers thanks to Variety. Dex is not working either. Yeah, we can give it a go. Don't know what this will result. So let's first have a look at other files. So the RC Lua is gonna kick in. And we are saying to load this. But we also are going to say to load lane and stuff like that. So that's gonna be tricky. All right, another desktop, sudo apt install lane. No, not enough. AN, not gonna work. So Eric, Control V. The knowledge is out there. Google, Linux Mint, awesome. I found the community, I thought earlier on. I think it was this one. Voila. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Awesome is awesome. No more mouse. Awesome.org. Apt. Awesome. But that's, I guess, just the apt is already installed. No, I need more than that. I need vicious and lane and all that. I feel it's not gonna be easy. All awesome Linux applications. That's the problem with the word awesome, and then you end up with the awesome applications. Linux Mint is awesome. Installing awesome desktop on Linux Mint. That's better, right? Then we got this. How to install GNOME desktop. How to install and use other desktops. Xubuntu. Cinnamon. Nobody doing anything. Okay, we'll see what we get. True. I need to kill this one. Then go here. This is so not gonna work. Oh my god, that's not bad. Oh my god, that's not bad either. Okay. That's working as well. F2, Control G, Chromium, Super 3, then Super 5 for melt. Whoa, Super 6, and let's launch Super F6. VLC is there for you. So yeah, the wallpaper. Why is the wallpaper not there? Next. Here we see the difference between our code and the code from, yes, the standard variety. We've been smart at Arclix. We have 22 desktops, right? And we want to set wallpapers everywhere. Now, yeah. The problem is the standard config does not cut it. Control A, Control C. And then we go to here, for example. No, not that, that. And we go to the config, to variety, scripts, set wallpaper, Control A, delete, Control V, save. And then we kill everything and we press Alt N. And there we have our wallpapers. Yeah, let's use this one, right? No, Alt T, trash. That's a nice one. In case you're wondering, use a tool called Variety. This little thing gets all kinds of wallpapers from Wallhaven simply by adding something. Just add Wallhaven. And I've used the word abstract. So the tag abstract. And then I got this. Alt N is the next one. Alt F is a favorite. I'm saving this one. Or Alt P is previous. Alt N, Alt previous, Alt N, Alt N, Alt N. Nice one to stick with. Although I do like the woman there. Was actually, whoops, was actually nice. So wallpaper. So this one, we can have a look. Okay, let's keep this one. Strange. A fish and a fish and a fish and a fish and a fish. Shoes. Great. So I guess I've got awesome up and running. And I think another delivery guy is going to ring the bell. I hear some noises outside. I do wondering why the vicious thing and all that and lane. It's not complaining about any of that, so maybe it's part of awesome. I don't know. To be investigated. Anyway, I've got awesome on my awesome machine. So guys, have fun with Linux Mint. Have fun exploring more desktops. Cheers.